Hi guys. Today we will discuss Bitcoin on charts. Now I've selected 1 month Bitcoin US dollar chart, that is in US dollar currency if bought through US dollar currency. That is monthly chart, and as you can see, its price is rising up. Now just to explain a candlestick, this slow. Wait a minute here. Now you can see O, H, L, and C. O is high, O is open, H is high, L is low, C is close. So as you can see, they are all green. Now red means it has closed lower on the month. So it's going up, up, and up. So it's a good time to invest on. If it falls, then it falls something like this, as it happened in 2013 December. It started to fall a bit, then rose, started to fall a bit. So always remember, if it starts to go down, example these three candle, down, the up is not so much great, and then it goes again down, then this represents a downward movement. And once you were sure at this end of February 2014, it went down till February 2015 and 2016. So for 2 years it went down, then it moved up. Always remember, whenever a candle, example this green candle and its low was broken on this candle, red candle, this low was, as you can see, this L is low, so this green candle was low was 731. Once it broke the 731 low, it meant that it's going into a bearish mode and will stay bearish for the long term, 2 to 3 years, and it remained bearish even crossing this end, this rate, this low rate. Let me mark a trend line or a horizontal line. Wait a minute. Right here, which we are saying that we would have sold in the previous days. Example, it should not break the previous low of its candle, of its monthly candle. It broke the low on this red candle. After that, it remained lower from, this was 2014 January, and it again crossed that line in 2016 November. That's approximately 14 full year, 15 full year, 16 full year. That's approximately 3 years. After 3 years, it rose up. And once it rose up, there was no looking back. It went up, 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 and up. So now is a good time to invest if you're thinking to invest. And I would give you a thumbs up. Do buy it if you like to increase your wealth. However, please remember that Bitcoin is really volatile. So its price move up and down, up and down, up and down. Example would be right here. Even though I'm saying that the price is moving up, if you look at its high, this H is high. The high was $3,000 US dollar, but the low was $2,050. That's a $1,000 swing. Although I'm saying that it's a good time to buy, but it's still a $1,000 swing. So always remember this before investing. Please remember, Bitcoin is a currency, so it should always be traded on the long term basis. And as you can see, I've selected the monthly chart to show you the long term basis. Let me show you a previous example. When the Bitcoin was started like trading. Here you can see it rose, it fell off, it rose again. That's what the Bitcoin is really about. Long-term signals, long-term holding power. So I would recommend you not to buy it for short term. Buy it for long term, because that's when you'll make the major chunk of money. In the short term, I won't suggest it because it's too volatile and you might not make it. You might lose money on it on the short term. Now, what do I mean by short term? Let's select 1 day chart and let me zoom out. Now, this is 2017 here, December 31st, 2016. It fell off from a high of $1,175 till the low of $734. That's approximately 33% fall. Then it rose again. Again, it fell off from 1279 till boom, 890. Again, it rose. So remember it. On the shorter term, it's extremely volatile, but you need to hold it for a long time, let's say 6 months or a year, to make some good money. Because at the end of the day, you're buying it to make good money. If you're buying it just to store wealth, then it's good. Just look for the monthly chart, and if it breaks the previous low of the previous candle, then it's a telltale sign that there is something wrong and you should get out. Otherwise, it's a good currency to invest in. Thank you.